Hi, this is Maciej. Today I want to give you a short review and a couple of close-ups on my new hose that I bought from Amazon. This is expandable hose that expands to a 50 feet long hose. So as you can see, this is my old 50-foot regular hose. This is that expandable 50-foot hose. Huge difference. The hose is expandable. You can bend it, nothing's gonna happen. This one I had for quite a while, but it was really starting to be really hard to work with. And this hose bends very easily, and it was starting to get old, so I decided to replace it. As you can see, this takes half of the space of this one, and I'll show you how it works. This hose also comes with 3/4 end valve, so you can easily close it at the end. And if you turn the water on, it expands to 50 feet, just like that. Take a look at this. It is really cool. When you close the water, there is still a lot of pressure in the hose, so you can still water your plants just with the remaining pressure that is inside of the hose. Everything shrinks to the previous size, and of course it is super light, and you can bend it however you want it. It still works, and it takes 3 times less space. It's no brainer, works great. And one of the best features is that it's super light. It is really super light. Now if I wanted to put it back on my spool, take a look, it takes almost no space. Then if I turn the water on, the hose will expand. Looks like it's trying to crawl out of it. Looks really cool. And that's it. Now I have a full pressure. I can still close it, my main valve, and water my plants with the remaining water that is inside of the hose. And look, everything will contract back to its original size. So really it does not matter whether you have it on spool like this, or you have it mounted in some other way, or just totally loose on the wall of your house. So I really like this hose, and it's so much easier to work with it, and it's more convenient than the regular hose. I really like it. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.